Good day everyone. In this video, I will explain how we evaluated our grade 8 mathematics unit plan using the unit plan evaluation 4, focusing on the completeness of components, alignment, strengths, and areas for improvement. So first, we started by checking the basic information and required components. The learning area, grade level, quarter, and school year are clearly indicated. The unit title accurately reflects the focus on solving systems of linear equations. However, we noted a concern regarding consistency since some parts mention grade 7 even though the unit is intended for grade 8. So this should be corrected to avoid confusion. Next is we evaluated the unit overview, content standards, and learning competencies. The unit overview clearly explains the scope and logical progressions of lessons. The content standards are aligned with the DepEd Matatag curriculum, and the learning competencies are clearly stated and aligned with the objectives, showing strong curriculum alignment. Next, we examine the daily learning plans. For day 1, which introduces systems of linear equations using the graphing method, the topic, duration, and objectives are appropriate and measurable across cognitive, psychomotor, and affective domains. The group activity encourages participation, but we recommended adding a short review of linear equations and graphing. An objective focus on interpreting the point of intersection and an exit slip for quick assessment. For day 2, which focuses on the substitution method, the lesson is well well placed and engaging. The individual assessment effectively checks mastery. We suggested explicitly connecting this method to the graphing method learned previously and using a simple rubric to assess solution clarity and accuracy. For day 3, covering the elimination method, the objectives and activities are aligned with the competency. The group relay activity promotes collaboration and mastery, but adding a short reflection or synthesis and a checklist or rubric for solution steps would strengthen assessment. For day 4, which involves translating word problems into systems of equations, the lesson is well sequenced and emphasizes interpretation skills. We recommended providing a guided example before group work using more observable verbs in the objectives and including clear assessment criteria. And for the last day, which is day 5, serves as the culminating lesson. The objectives integrate real-life application and the performance-based assessment is appropriate. Suggested improvements include simplifying long objectives, adding clear group reporting criteria, and developing a scoring rubric. So to conclude, the unit plan is complete, well-structured, and learner-centered. Most components are present and aligned, and the recommendations focus on improving clarity, consistency, scaffolding, and assessment, making the unit plan more effective. And that's all. Thank you.